Does weather affect the risk of welding accidents? Have you ever thought about how the weather might change the safety of a welder's job? It turns out that weather conditions can significantly influence the risk of welding accidents, especially for those working outdoors or in partially sheltered areas. Welding is already a high-risk profession, and when you add in factors like heat, cold, wind, and rain, the dangers can increase. In hot weather, welders face more than just the heat from their welding equipment. The surrounding temperature can lead to heat stress, which can cause serious health issues. Symptoms like heat exhaustion, dizziness, and dehydration can affect a welder's ability to focus and react quickly. For example, a welder who is feeling dizzy may not perform their tasks accurately, which can lead to mistakes or even injuries. On the flip side, cold weather brings its own set of challenges. When temperatures drop, metals can become brittle, making it harder to weld properly. This can lead to weak welds that might not hold up under pressure. Cold conditions can also make it easier to slip and fall, especially if there is ice or snow present. Wind and rain are particularly troublesome for outdoor welding. Wind can disrupt the shielding gases that protect the weld from contamination, leading to weak welds. Rain or moisture increases the risk of electrical shock, which is a serious concern since welding involves high currents. Wet surfaces can also lead to slips and falls, creating additional hazards. Welders must also be aware of ultraviolet radiation from the welding arc. While this is a constant risk, weather can change how much exposure welders receive. Bright sunlight might tempt welders to remove protective gear, increasing the risk of injuries. Conversely, cloudy or stormy weather can reduce visibility, making it harder to see what they are doing or spot potential hazards. Welding shares some similarities with other high-risk jobs like logging or deep-sea fishing, where workers must adapt to unpredictable weather. Just as storm chasers must be ready for sudden changes, welders need to manage weather-related risks that can make their already dangerous work even riskier. To stay safe, welders and their employers should keep a close eye on weather conditions. Here are some practical tips. Schedule welding tasks during the cooler parts of the day when it is hot, wear protective clothing, and stay hydrated to combat heat stress. Avoid welding during rain or high winds, and ensure proper electrical safety measures are in place when working in damp conditions. Always use adequate and skin protection against ultraviolet radiation, regardless of the weather. In short, weather has a direct impact on welding safety. It can increase physical stress, lower work quality, and raise the risk of accidents. Taking steps to manage these risks is essential for welders, especially when working in outdoor environments where weather plays a constant role.